would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.
Hello lovely family, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. We are here once again. As we always say that Eagle Eye Angle, our main focus is to throw more light on our local food. So it's not always that you've been buying drinks from outside. So you have to prepare something tasty for your family. So because of that, we've decided to prepare local drinks today by using pineapple and ginger. So we are going to prepare healthy pineapple ginger drink today. So please guys, stay with us as we start our journey. So please guys, let's go through my ingredients and then we start the drink. Here we have our pineapple, big sizes, then green, then we have ginger here, nicely washed. Then we have our lime. We are going to mix it with the ginger and the pineapple for the drink. Then we have our sugar for the syrup. We will start by washing our pineapple before we peel it and then start cutting it. So I'm adding water to it to wash it. You wash your pineapple nicely. Wash it nicely. Wash it nicely before you peel it. So I'm done with the washing of the pineapple. So now I'm going to peel my pineapple for the drink. So we are still in the process of making the pineapple drink. So I'm done with peeling my pineapple. So I'm about to cut it. Then we'll continue with the rest. So I'm done with the peeling of the pineapple. So I'm going to use the outer layout of the pineapple to make my simple syrup for the drink. I'm adding water to it. Then my sugar to give me taste. You have to add the sugar. When you are adding the sugar, you have to check if your pineapple is too sweet, then you add a little sugar to it. Now I'm going to put my syrup water on fire to boil it before I'll add it to the cream. So now we are going to cut our pineapple, then we will blend it for the drink. You have to remove this one out. But don't throw it away. We are going to add it to our syrup. But syrup is now on fire, so I'm going to add it to it. It's very, very healthy, so you need not to throw it away.
Okay, we are done chopping our pineapple.
So now I'm going to blend my pineapple and ginger. So I've added the ginger to the pineapple already. So I'm going to blend it. After that, then I squeeze it for my drink. Now I'm adding water to my pineapple to blend it. But if your water is not nice or you've seen it that it's not hygienic, you have to boil it before you use it to blend it, the pineapple for your drink. Because maybe if the water is not good, you have to do that to prevent any dirty things from it.
Okay, I'm done blending my ginger and then pineapple. So I'm pouring inside my bowl.
Now the syrup is ready, so I'm taking it off from the fire. Then I continue with the drink. So I'm going to sieve it and put it down for it to cool before I'll add it to the pineapple juice. So we are sieving it now to get our juice for the drink. Very soon my drink will be ready. I'm going to So I'm now going to mix my syrup to the pineapple juice. There you call it a drink. Now the drink is ready. I have to put it inside my jar, my fruit jar. Then I'll go and put it inside the fridge. But so no lucky on my side. They gave lights out right now. So I'm going to put ice inside to cool it down. To cool it down before I serve it. Now our drink is ready and our friends setting the table, so we are going to drink. As I told you guys that it's not always that you'll be buying drinks from outside for your children. You have to try something unique or something nice for your family members. So this one, we've just added one and two things and make our drink nice. Pineapple and ginger drink. You make it for your family members. They will be so happy that you have done good thing for them. It's not always that you go and buy this. Maybe they've added some ingredients to it and it's not good for the health of the children. So you have to try natural. And first of all, we told you that Eagle Eye Angle, our main focus is to throw more light on our local dishes. So now you can see how we did this one. Just natural, local, yummy. So we are going to take it. You're going to enjoy this. You can enjoy it with anything at all you want. Even if you have a visitor, you can do this thing for your visitor. You can even decide to do this thing. Even you can even do it and sell. It's very nice and tasty. So we've done it for our family members. So now we are not going to buy no more buying of drinks outside though. We're going to do this one and put it inside our fridge. Then always we'll be using it in the house. Even if the children are going to school, you can even do this one for them to send it to the school. So please just follow the procedures, and then everything that we did it is simple and very easy. So just do it for your family members. We love you guys. Join us to consume our everything. As we always say, that Consumers Association, we never disappoint. We are going to consume the drink today. There's no more food or something like that, only drinks. Let's go. Good for the health, but very good for the body. So we just added ginger to it. Then it's good for the body. So please try this in your houses.
Hello guys, as you all can see, today we did pineapple juice with ginger and with lemon, and I recommend this fruit juice for you people. Those who don't know how to do pineapple juice, you can do some at home. All you need is just your lemon, your ginger and your pineapple. And maybe if you have a big family as mine, as you all know, Consumers Association, we can't use one pineapple. No, today we use almost 6 to 8 pineapples, and we are very happy about what and the results we got. Our sister here did her best to do this pineapple juice, and it is very interesting and very sweet. I was just passing and I saw them doing pineapple juice, and I was saying, I'll come when they say I should come. And I have come, and I am coming to drink, and I know I will be the first person to finish this jar. So don't go anywhere, just subscribe to the channel, follow us, and in fact share. If you want more videos of us, don't worry, just go to YouTube, type Eagle Eye Angle. If the channel open or you see any eagle fly, just notice if it is Eagle Eye Angle, then you click on it. If you click on it, just look for the search something, you see subscribe. Just click subscribe. That's all. There you share all our videos. You can see a full video of ours, not just drinks. We do fufu, we do coconut, we do bangu, we do omutu, we do jollof, everything. So guys, without wasting my time, Eagle Eye Angle, subscribe! Eagle Eye Angle, I'll always come here. I will subscribe. In fact, subscribe. Don't just be there, be watching and be laughing. Just subscribe to our channel. You get more videos. More. Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best. As your, this is very good medicine. I have finished consuming it. I told you I will use the jar, and I have finished everything. You can see my people today are also still on it consuming. Should I enjoy some with you? They can't finish it. I have to finish it for them. It is done. So my people, just subscribe to the channel. You see how funny it is and how loving the thing is. This is Eagle Eye Angle, and we recommend this channel to you. Just share it for your people to also get some, for your friends, your family. Maybe someone wants to try this thing at home, but he or she doesn't know how to do it. Share it for that person on your platform, your statuses, everywhere. Facebook, you can share it. Even your WhatsApp, the groups that you are in, you can just share it to them. Yes, someone may need it. Maybe you might not need it, but someone may need it. Maybe you can learn it. You have also learned it from our page, but maybe someone also there to wants this thing. Maybe he or she wants to learn how they can do this thing, but she's trying and even worried about it. Please share it. Eagle Eye Angle. Just go to YouTube, type the Eagle Eye Angle, subscribe, like and share. You will see our various videos there. Without wasting my time, we thank you. Yes, once again we say we thank you very much. We thank you. It is because of you that today we are Eagle Eye. If it wasn't you watching, you liking, you sharing, you will never come far by God's grace. So please, Eagle Eye Angle, don't forget to subscribe.
Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.